Most people get this wrong when they search for MoneyLion cash advance limits. They assume everyone gets the same amount. That's not how it works. In fact, the amount you can get in 2026 may be very different from what someone else receives. In this video, you'll learn how MoneyLion's cash advance system works, how much you may qualify for, what affects your limit, and the biggest mistake to avoid before requesting an advance. Let's get straight to the answer. MoneyLion's Instacash feature allows eligible users to access money before payday. In 2026, qualified users may receive cash advance limits that range from smaller starter amounts to significantly higher limits depending on account activity and eligibility factors. The exact amount depends on several things, including your income, direct deposit history, account activity, and MoneyLion's internal eligibility checks. For example, let's say Alex signs up today and has little banking history connected to the app. He may start with a relatively low advance limit. Meanwhile, Jake has consistent direct deposits, regular income, and a strong account history. He may qualify for a much larger amount. But here's the problem. Many people focus only on the maximum advertised limit. They don't realize that qualifying for higher amounts usually takes time and consistent account activity. This is where most people fail. They apply once, see a lower limit than expected, and assume the app doesn't work. In reality, eligibility can change as the platform gathers more information about your financial activity. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of the fastest ways to improve your chances of qualifying for a higher advance is maintaining consistent direct deposits. When the system can verify regular income, it has more confidence in your ability to repay future advances. Think of it this way. If John receives a predictable paycheck every 2 weeks, the system can better estimate his future income. That's why consistent deposits often matter more than occasional large payments. In a minute, I'll show you the most important thing to watch out for before requesting an advance. First, remember that a cash advance is not free money. It is essentially early access to earnings you are expected to receive. When your next paycheck arrives, the advance amount is typically recovered according to the app's terms. Now here's the key warning. Never build your monthly budget around cash advances. They work best as short-term tools for unexpected expenses, not as a replacement for income. Relying on advances regularly can create financial stress over time. So, how much can you get from MoneyLion Cash Advance in 2026? The answer depends entirely on your eligibility, income patterns, and account history. Some users may start with smaller limits, while others can qualify for significantly higher amounts after establishing a strong track record. The key takeaway is simple. Focus on consistent income, maintain healthy account activity, and treat cash advances as emergency tools rather than everyday spending money. If this video helped you understand how MoneyLion Instacash works, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial app guides, and let me know in the comments what cash advance questions you'd like answered next.